ups and downs are like my own, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm trying to say? It's like, it's just like, it's our life, you know what I mean?
You're in control of your destiny.
Yeah, bro. That's real.
For 6 months? Could you imagine? That'd be crazy.
It'd be a banger.
It'd be, damn, that cover is crazy.
It was crazy. That's how we... Yeah, we're gonna make a beat for that.
You're gonna make one.
I think it's only right.
Output. What is this thing called?
QU16.
Zoom audio device?
No.
Maybe I need to close this. Bro, little did everybody know, bro, we be the hardest in the city.
Yeah, right.
They just didn't see it coming. Is that?
Well,
Don't let bad thoughts take over.
Your input too. Your output.
You can hop on this. I mean, this that's a but then again, it needs. I want to do it again. And it also personal note. It's like
even look me in my face. You want space, don't want me. Oh, but you love me. You get drained when we're talking. Now you're dodging me.
Really? I mean,
It
we got.
has an automatic tuner, a tuner plug-in.
I've never used it. I've never used them.
I think it just plugs it into the guitar and it tunes it.
Well, I never used one, so I'm gonna just use my phone because I don't want
Alright, shut
to. I
up.
don't want to mess with this stuff. I'd rather them show me. One time I was tuning the
Elevation.
Honestly, it could have been, but no. I think the guitars were on top of each other and it just like moved the wrong way and it popped.
Yeah.
No, that was
Because it was my little tiny strings. So.
I had to hold it, made sure it stayed red.
Yeah,
and
it was
we
tweaking.
went.
And then you can also change the way it sounds through the amp over here.
Or through the board.
So there.
Dude, you look so cool right now.
Do
Oh, it needs to go
Yeah.
through the board.
No, wait, no, you could change it to the board.
No.
Am I going slower than the average?
There's a little bit more space than usual, but it's alright.
What do you mean?
Like, usually play it again. Wait, hit it again one more time. It'd be like, restart it. It'd be like, tick, 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 tick. It's a lot more.
Yeah, let's start right away.
Was just in that one spot where they hit at the same time. Blessed be.
Okay, I got an idea. Alright, run it back. So I'm gonna say like random shit like
so that we can fill it in eventually. So like, I'm randomly be like, I can be like, I don't know. I think it'd be cool because it could be like
Hop in. What are you doing? That's a lot of labor.
Not enough, Riley. That's a dub. Duff Radio. If you ain't know.
What would the game be called?
So. You've done this for 115 days in a row? That's crazy. What oh shit, equipment breakdown. The studio mic broke. Do I have $200? How do I know if I have $200?
Dollars, I think.
Cool, I fixed my mic. But where am I supposed to go? Am I supposed to just hang out here? Sorry, I'm slow for that. You're like, figure it out.
I just want to see how you naturally interact with it, because that'll tell me what I need to do.
That's real. Right now, I didn't pay enough attention. Oh, so this is okay.
Did you resolve their beef?
Either one was like, yeah, I chose to intervene for them to resolve their beef. I'm taking the $400. So what I'm confused here is there's this map. What does this do? Okay, it's coming up again. That is a little bit like quick, you know what I'm saying?
Too many pop-ups?
Not too many pop-ups, just pretty like too often.
Okay.
I feel